the hell's that?
That's Joe syncing his fucking cameras.
Where's he leave his cameras? Back home?
Joe, you missed that. When you beat the horn, they said, "What's that?" I said, "That's Joe syncing up his cameras." He said, "Where'd he leave his cameras? Back fucking home."
Oh. They weren't turned on, were they?
Yeah.
Before you score, right, can I get a photograph of when you ride your bike before you score, please?
Aye. He wants a photo of us all on the bikes before we leave.
Do you want us to group up?
Aye, like that.
Right, Joe, you come round.
I've got me stand down.
You go round.
That's it, there you go. Has he ever told you he did Land's End John O'Groats?
I'll go the other side of Joe. Are we right into the sun? We got the sun behind us.
Right.
We got the sun behind us.
Right, okay, we'll go over there.
How much are we charging for photos? Was it that bad, was it?
How much today? Well, we got free biscuits.
Wait, we did, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I'll get my hill start control on.
I got mine on.
Have you got hill start control, Alec?
Nah, he's a peasant. Give him a wave then. Give him a wave.
Yep.
Lovely. Lovely.
Have a safe journey.
We'll give you a mention on YouTube.
Yep. Right, off we go. Who's going first?
Hang on, I just got to get me my
You
route
faffing?
open again. Well, I was halfway through. I was halfway through doing it, and some fucker wanted a photograph.
No, had to call
I can't wait for you fuckers.
I'm too old to be lugging sofas around all day. Look at him off-roading.
I think there's a motorbike coming from your left.
Yep. He's fine.
Okay, I'm out.
Steve, you said that like we give a shit. Off to the left up here. Todge's Tours does it again.
Yeah, great route again tonight. We've got an unpaying visitor though.
Have we?
Yeah, he's turned off with us.
Send him the bill.
Have to get one of those mobile card machines. Just tap him for 50 quid as he goes past.
That is beautiful, isn't it? So, what are these like square areas then? The
What's
square
this?
patches.
I think it's just where they burn off the gorse, isn't it? They burn off patches bit by bit to encourage regeneration, don't they?
Yeah, let's the grass grow for the sheep.
God, it sounded like I was intelligent then.
Hey, yeah, you can fucking pack that in.
Yeah, at least I was right for once.
Well, bugger me, it looks like a proper motorcycle convoy behind me.
You got the 360 on?
Yeah.
Good, eh?
We've gained an extra one.
Yeah.
Well,
That's
the
what
chap behind
Steve
us-
said. He hasn't paid yet to join Todger's tours.
I think that's why he's not overtaken, because we'll all zap 40 quid off his bank account as he goes by.
Look at that, look, both
This is
ways.
gorgeous, man. Honest to God.
How much do we owe you for this trip?
Don't know what Joe's doing. He's faffing.
Well, it is the Tour de Faff.
I think that guy must have heard us, because he's pulled off now.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he didn't want to pay. Anyway, as I started to say before the chap that owned the cab come out, my boss's cousin owns a park just outside Carlisle, holiday park, a big lodge one. I don't know how much that is to stay there, or whether I could get a discount.
Right, bit of sharp bends down here. Tight right, tight left. Nice and tight left.
Beautiful, isn't it?
There was a song about that, Steve, wasn't there?
What's that?
My boss's cousin, what I like to do, he doesn't.
Oh, God, Fergal Sharkey.
He had a fucking haircut like Oliver Cromwell, didn't he?
Yeah, but he had a face for radio.
Van coming.
I was talking to the lads, talking about old songs. Do you remember Ivor Biggin?
I'm a big un. Cowgrid.
Well, he was Doc something or other on That's Life, wasn't he? But he used to do I'm a Wanker, My Brother's Got Piles, I've Farted, and he that's why he got kicked off That's Life.
Yeah, I remember that one, I farted.
I farted, I've made my trousers cough, I've whistled in my wire front, so I've just pulled one off.
I'll wait until I'm past it.
But the Wanker song was a good one, wasn't it?
We're going down again.
Yep. Looking past Joe, I can't see, mate.
We lost Joe?
No, he was signalling me past, but it's up there with the hill, I can't see. Are we all clear ahead, Nige?
No, bike's coming up.
Alright. Oh, nice little twisties.
Lovely twisties.
Roadkill in the road. You're clear after them, Ron, if you want to
Yep.
get past him.
It's just he seems keen for me to get by. There we go.
I think he wants a flyby for the cameras.
Alright.
Fucking sun's on my CarPuride screen. It's right at the angle to fucking blind me.
Yeah, I've got to tuck behind you because otherwise it's straight off your wing mirror and me.
Is it?
My car brills, well, my car plays fine, it's me dash. That's blinding me.
Yeah, but isn't it like a dingy orangey colour, your dash, reminiscent of a chubby teenage kid with ginger hair?
Oh, when I can see it, yes.
What's that over there? Reservoir? Let's see, even that's low, isn't it, look? Very low.
Beautiful view. And a lake to top it off.
I love the way they just curve and snake back on each other.
Yeah. This is just heaven, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely, mate. Said it drives my missus potty because I sit there so long inspecting every fucking road. Google Street View.
But that's why you know where all the potholes are, isn't it? You've memorised them.
Yeah, I mean, it might be something to do with me ignoring her while I'm doing it, but...
I'm trying to turn my head to the right, but see what I'm doing, driving straight on.
Bit of a left turn. Nice.
Oh, and then a right, lovely.
And some stupid cows. And a left.
He's running down that hill. I was just thinking to myself, I don't think I've been out of third gear all day.
I'm in fourth coming up the fucking hill.
Yeah, exactly.
It's used to pumping bilge water out of a ditch. Ooh, very nice. Nice left. Tight right round after that.
Tight round. Car coming.
Tight. Nice left. Whee!
Someone's having fun. Like a big kid, isn't he? You do sort of spoil the surprise though, nice, when we hear.
I'll keep fucking quiet then.
That'll please next subscribers.
Wonder if this is the bit you was on about, Al. GS is coming.
GS is coming.
And an RT. Lots of all BMW boys, look.
Look at them all, look. They can afford the coffee up there, can't they?
Oh, it's a nice bridge. I like this.
Lovely.
Oh, wow. Oh, what a play. There's a car waiting. Thank you.
See, we'll do all that again, but differently tomorrow, won't we? Different route. Yeah.
Posty stopped in a convenient spot, didn't he?
Yeah, fucking zigzags.
Double yellow lines and on a corner. Indicator Al. Yes, got that one in. So I do take great pleasure because it is usually me.
Alright, let me pull out, Ron. Oh,
Yep.
Fucking.
It's alright, when you go.
I'll fucking pull out in front of that twat, man. I tuck right into the curb and they seem to think they're driving articulated fucking cars.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't squeeze past there. Black stripes matter. Cracking day's riding so far.
Totally agree.
I don't know what my missus is moaning about when I said to her last night, put the fucking bins out. You see how far that woman's got to walk with her bin? Fucking hell.
Have you got that on film?
I hope that's on camera. I'll fucking show her. What are you fucking moaning at?
You seem quite silly buggers.
Right, we're going right up here.
Yep, I've got right as well.
And it's right on a bend. Yep, you're all clear. One coming up on the Brownie Hill over there. We all over? Yeah. Oh, look at the old chimney up here on the left there. Oh, isn't that lovely?
We'll
have a bit of that footage. What's that, an old kiln of some sort?
It looks like it, yeah, they're by the shape of the chimney.
Yeah.
But I could be wrong.
Got a board there about it. More there, like it's old mining things, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks very small for the bottom. There's no sort of engine house or anything like that. But
is that what you were on about, Alex?
probably comes it.
Yeah, well, it ain't finished yet. We're still going. It's a bit like Zigzag Hill, isn't it, Steve?
Yeah. Sounds like fun.
Lovely little section, that. Oh, look at this, beautiful. We'll take our time over it.
Are you stopping for a photo?
Follow the lights, follow the signs. Till we got our own kind of paradise. Follow the lights.
We're all clear behind at the moment.
Oh, over there, yeah, over there. Let's make sure nothing's coming.
Follow the lights, follow the signs.
Right, you're clear, you're clear, click, click, click. Click, 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 click. And there's a nice little section you can stand in without getting fucking run over. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. I didn't put the back one on then. I didn't put the back one on that bit. What a fucking arsehole.